Welcome to this Black Belt membership training session. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to add a new contact for a member inside your software. Whether it's a parent, guardian, or someone responsible for billing, having accurate contact info is key to running a smooth operation. I'll guide you step by step, just like I would if we were sitting together in your office setting this up. Let's get started. First, go into the member summary. From there, use the search bar to find the member you want to update or add a contact for. Once you find them, click on the Contact tab. Review existing contact info. You'll see a list of existing contacts connected to that member. Right next to their name, you'll notice a little arrow. Click that to expand the contact details. Up top, you'll see basic info like full name, email address. You'll also notice some labels. PB = primary biller. BC = billing contact, RC = recurring billing. The relationship field tells you who this person is to the student, like a parent, guardian, etc. You'll usually see two phone numbers. EC = emergency contact. Release = if they're authorized for student release. Act = active contact. To edit a contact, click the little card icon with the pencil next to it. More contact details. Scroll down and you'll see even more important info. Address. If there's a card on file. Recurring payment status. Electronic check info, if applicable. Check numbers, if used. On the right-hand side, you'll also see quick links to important forms like debit authorization, credit card update request, member portal access, add a new contact. Now, let's go ahead and add a new contact. At the top of the grid, click Add New Contact. Fill out as much information as you can. You don't have to enter an address, but definitely try to get their phone number, their email address if available. Then choose the relationship to the student. Are they the parent, sibling, aunt, uncle, legal guardian? Just select the appropriate option. Set permissions and authorizations. On the right-hand side of the form, you'll see checkboxes. Is this person an emergency contact? Are they authorized for student release? Do you want them to receive messages through the message center? Toggle those based on what's appropriate for that contact. Billing options. If this contact is going to be responsible for payment, you'll need to mark them as a billing contact. Now here's the key point. Only one person can be set as the primary biller. That person will be the one responsible for any recurring payments or autopay setups. Once all that's filled out, go ahead and click Submit. Add their card on file if needed. If you want to attach a credit card or ACH info to this new contact, go back into the contact and click Edit. You'll now see the merchant account or ACH authorization section. Head into the terminal to enter their payment details. After entering their card info, you may need to go back in and edit one more time to fine-tune settings. Don't forget, you can also enable surcharges. Activate autopay with the ePay Enable button and switch the primary biller if needed. And that's how you add and manage contacts inside Black Belt membership. Keeping your member records up to date helps everything run smoother, from billing to communication to student safety. If you ever get stuck or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. We're here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next training video. See you in the next training. Keep leading strong.